Hello and welcome back to more Mushroom Kingdom Fusion.
Here we are at the finale of Fantasyland.
Now, before we go in, it's been a bit, so we should shake off the rust.
Yeah.
And I was hinted at that the Blue Switch Palace is back in the Cave of Mana.
Oh, is it? Okay. Back track of it then.
Yeah. Well, so I figured a good way to shake the rust off.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there where that blue...
That's good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Caverns of Mana.
Okay, yeah, I see that now.
So...
Okay. Well, Simon can't stop it, right?
No. I'm almost...
Yeah, I mean, logic dictates.
I'd pick up the mushroom. I think you get whip upgrades with mushroom.
Is it? Okay.
No, okay.
Whatever. Okay, maybe. I remember these two. Kind of jerks.
Yeah, it's been a while since we played a Belmont, and also since we played.
Yep. A little bit of column A, a little bit of column B. Shoot button. There we go. Alright, let's keep an eye out. Something obvious comes up.
I don't know where or exactly. Yeah.
It looks like it.
Yeah, I know, right? You could just go down that.
Guess
Nope.
not. Yeah, that's very easy. This looks like something, doesn't it?
I think we've been down there. It's a power up, but you know, let's search every nook and cranny to be safe.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd probably switch out the dagger for the
Remind
cross.
me, does this replace the one in backup? I think.
I
Correct.
think so.
I always forget.
Yeah.
Okay, the one in backup.
Yeah.
It's one thing I always forget.
Yeah. No, it's not very clear, but
Yeah,
I guess that makes sense. You
it
wouldn't
does.
replace the one that you're using.
That's intuitively how it should be. But yeah, I always just forget.
There's so many games where it's not the case.
Yep, exactly. That's right.
Watch for that Geo, dude.
Yeah, he's gone. Oh, okay. He can leap across platforms. Fair enough.
Yeah, he's got the rocket punch.
He does.
Well, we got a problem.
Yeah, I know. Well, I think you might be stuck, actually. Unlucky for him.
Yeah. I think we did a huge skip with, what was it? Is it enough? With Luigi here.
Yeah, okay.
So,
Maybe
this would be a good place to try to search around, I think.
I think is the video you most recently uploaded the one that we did this level?
I think so.
I should have watched that.
Yeah.
There's like
Oh, you're not watching our videos.
Oh, I am. I usually at least watch most of them, but I try to watch most of them, but this one I didn't. Not yet, anyway.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh well.
I'm kind of back in the zone again, anyway, so it's
Yeah.
good.
Shake the rust off. Shake the rust off.
Exactly. Oh, it'll burn, don't you, buddy?
Just be careful. You don't have unlimited of those.
Yep.
Actually, I think you're right.
Run out. There we go. That's what we get. I also do that jump kick. I gotta remember that too.
Yeah.
I also try a costume or something like that.
Yeah.
Not a bad idea. That works pretty good, actually.
It works pretty good, except for like the weird angle that you fall at.
Yes.
Oh, you can go straight
Can't
down.
go straight down, though, apparently.
Okay, I was wondering that because I was like, that's how I always use the double jump kick.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that
What
worked.
the hell was that?
What was that nonsense?
There we go. That's more like it. Bomb type super effective.
Simon used explosion. It was super effective.
It sure was.
Yeah, that's where we jumped as Luigi to
Okay.
skip half the level.
Yep. Jesus.
Alright, so we shouldn't have pissed him off. Got it.
Yeah, you're just gonna avoid those things.
Yeah.
That's way too scary.
There we go.
That's a good job.
Don't get the whip upgrade.
Oh, yes. But a lot of these enemies are not worth messing with, to be honest. You
No.
can jump over them. Some of them are, some of them aren't. Nice. Take advantage of double jump when I can.
Yeah. Well, you tried.
However, yeah.
Sir?
Yeah.
I just...
Yep, we're just gonna go fast. Ignore you.
Not ignoring you.
Right. Really fast and annoying, are you?
Shit.
I'll just whip him.
You know? Sometimes when a problem comes along.
You must whip it. Going up, I guess, yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, crystal.
Crystal was one of those, I love it, but it had very limited
It
uses.
really depends on your environment.
Yeah.
It really does. Nothing over here, I guess, huh?
No. So down. You want to go back and down.
Back and down?
Yeah. There's that platform that moves right below you.
Oh, right. This thing. I forgot about
And
that.
then just stay crouched to avoid.
Okay.
And don't get off when you think you should.
Just let it
Th-
go.
There.
Okay, yep.
And we could try down. I think it was a power up, but
Yeah, we'll still check it. Yeah, I definitely do remember this all being tricky enough.
Ooh, firework.
Great. Nice. Looks cool too. Very cool.
Oh, I bet you $20 if it was up there.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Maybe. Okay.
Oh.
Comes back. Okay.
Okay, so just wait it out.
Yeah.
I get rid of that asshole before he
Yeah,
becomes a problem.
Could have used him to bounce on, but now I don't need to. Enjoy the beautiful music while we wait. Alright.
No, it's one up though. So.
Okay, well, whatever. One ups are good. It's really aggressive. Oh, right. Not like this. That's the best way to get past this guy.
See if you can whip his head with Simon. I heard that some weapons actually do
Oh,
work.
fire whip does work on it. Just takes a long time to die. I know fire is not good against rock, but
Hey. If we're playing Pokemon rules, we'd be playing a Pokemon game.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, right. Shit. You can't actually get past that.
You can still punch you
Yeah.
over the rock, is the problem.
That is true.
Okay. I have an odd suggestion.
Sure.
Well, I want to scope the land a little more before we try my weird, crazy idea.
Weird, crazy idea.
Yeah. What's...
Come on over.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate that.
And...
Okay, it's a down arrow.
Ooh, holy water.
Yeah. Take that.
So let's try falling down and see what happens.
Yep.
Okay.
Just nothing.
Sometimes it's just nothing.
Sometimes it is.
So keep going to the right. See how there's coins down there?
Yep.
How do we get down into there?
Let's have a look, will we?
There's also a laser asshole that's going to shoot you. So
Oh, yeah.
because I'm wondering if it's that waterfall behind you.
Yeah, maybe. Let's just try to go here and see what happens. But it seems like we're just going to climb.
Yeah.
God, I hate those things.
I know, right? They come way too fast.
Oh, yeah.
Or there. Yeah, let's try there.
Yeah, this looks safer. Straight down.
There we go.
Perfect.
Get fucked, asshole.
Better than I could have hoped. That's a pit, I'm guessing.
I'm going to assume there's nothing indicating it shouldn't be. There's the
Okay,
key.
key. That's part of their equation.
Alright.
I hate these things. Oh, okay.
There it is, yeah. There we go. Just take the key over to the door.
Yes, indeed. Hooah!
There!
Made it. Okay.
What happens if you just hit it? Yeah, it's just...
Yeah. Does that learn the truth of a loot of some kind?
Yeah. I think just go for the pipe.
Yeah.
But...
I still like this stoner remix.
Yeah.
Simon has hit the blue switch.
Hooray!
Nice. That takes care of those kinds of blocks.
Huh, go down to that yellow star and you can probably go over to... Oh yeah, random encounters.
Nice.
Well, they're going to drop chicken for us, so we'll just take that.
Sure will.
You having fun over there, buddy? I don't understand what you're seizuring about.
Probably neither does he.
Ah.
Too bad. Yeah, okay, it's just in the back here. But that red teleporter would let me lead to that. Yeah. I'm guessing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. However, we'd have to find the secret exit this one.
Yeah, which...
I guess we'll proceed with the world boss for now.
Yeah, we'll go in and... Let's shop... Yeah, I was going to say, let's buy some stuff.
Yeah.
First that.
Yeah. Nightman and the Shield. Aegis Mark V. Let's try that.
That's what shield that regenerates, yep.
Yep. Sounds useful. Set it. What's the Aegis Mark V? Any idea?
Your guess is as good as mine.
I always just assume a Halo thing, but I'm sure it's something else.
Yeah.
It's probably something I should know, but I can't think of it right now.
The name sounds very
It does.
familiar.
Yeah. Alright. It does look halo-y, but... Right, we had tried this before.
Yeah.
I guess... I don't know. Fire versus holy whip. I guess... Or holy water.
I think if you could swap it, though, I like the holy water because it has a little more longer
I think
reach.
so, too.
Yeah.
I think it's probably better option.
I'm always a big advocate for the holy water. Just
It's always good.
yeah.
Yeah. Can't really go wrong.
Well, that worked.
Yep. Seems quite nice. Until that happens.
Yeah.
If we don't, yeah, it does seem useful. Just wasn't expecting that attack pattern.
Yeah.
Axe is also good.
Oh yeah, axes are always your best friend for a lot of things.
Yeah, axes and holy water are probably overall the best for some weapons in the games. Obviously, it varies from game to game, but they're the general fallback, I would say. They just give you the most coverage and range. Nice.
Oh, I love a good cream pie. That works on way too many bosses.
Who doesn't? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, hey, great ancestor who can teach me how to use this whip. Pie to the face!
Yeah. A timeless gag, really. I love the whip. That looks like another way to go here, by the way.
Yeah, it is.
So I guess we got option here. I don't know. Up or right?
I'll say up.
Yeah, I think up is fine. Do that for now.
So, because of going through a Kid Icarus area and we didn't know anything about it,
Yeah.
I went back and played through Kid Icarus real quick.
Yeah.
So I'm more familiar now with the game.
Yep. Yeah, those palaces?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you like it?
It's a lot harder than I remember.
It is a hard game.
Yeah.
It's a very tough game.
Especially if you're trying to get like a perfect ending.
Oh, yeah. It requires grinding, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is definitely a tough game. Hey, man. Alright, this gives me
The extendo whip.
Yes. We like that.
I think you can finagle that if you try.
Sure, I can, yeah. Just got an awful.
There you go.
Go. Sick.
What Castlevania wouldn't be without a freaking Medusa head?
I know, right? It would not be complete. I'll tell you what. Never ever be complete.
Okay, actually go to the right. Don't go this way.
Oh, why?
We've been through here in our first attempt for this.
Were we? Okay.
Yeah, so this loops around.
Yeah. Right it is.
Much of it. Hey, the witch.
Indeed.
Uh-oh.
Very quiet here.
Is it a transition area? Yeah, okay.
Oh, nice. Recognize this place?
Yep. Aria of Sorrow, am I right?
Sure are.
So we actually have to go back. We found the blue key. There was
Yeah.
a blue set of skulls that we have to.
So this is a Metroidvania level.
Good job, then.
Nice. Yep. It is nice that there was a save point there too.
Yeah.
Happy pumpkin to you.
Happy Halloween!
It's a great pumpkin. Coming right for your fucking noggin.
You could probably reach him from here if you really tried. No, I guess not.
Not quite. However, that works just as well.
Ow, fuck.
Yeah. This is really just. I mean, sure.
We shouldn't have got that.
That's fine. Still does good damage.
Doesn't have the reach, which is
Yeah.
what we were abusing the most.
Yeah. We do still have the axe, though.
Yeah. Not a fan of the Fleamen, are we?
No way they die is too gruesome for me. Let's put it that way.
Understandable, fair enough.
A sympathetic response will not be evoked for me.
I guess we're going underground.
So we are. Catacombs, maybe.
The sewer? Yeah, catacombs.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think this is from the underground waterway theme from area. Or no, the secret area, maybe.
I think it's the secret
I
area.
think it is the secret area. I wish the secret area had a boss.
It felt like it should have.
It should have had like a super boss. That would have been cool.
Yeah.
I didn't like it because it had a cool weapon, but I just feel like a cool boss would have been a really nice touch. Here, have that.
Yeah.
Hold that for me, would you?
Be a deer and hold that for me.
Let's see. Right, I guess?
We'll try right. Yeah, there's a wand.
Yeah.
Whatever that does.
Yeah. I have it up in my inventory there at the top. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
What we're doing here.
Oh, maybe we can go for that brick or something.
Yeah. Can't go that way yet. This level seems enormous.
Yeah, I was like, this feels like an actual Dracula's castle.
It does.
Yeah. Okay. Inverted castle, I guess.
Yeah, it feels like it.
You can't, that's just a projectile.
Yeah.
You son of a bitch. Went over the wall. Or not, okay. Down.
This isn't the same room, I think, is it?
No, it doesn't seem like it.
Proceed. Oh.
Oh, okay, those hurt.
Oh.
The little spikes
Yeah,
there.
I see that now. Jeez. Go on by, Wormy.
This. Ah!
It sucks.
Just until we can get some health back.
Yeah. Well,
We can edge that.
Hmm.
Yay!
Nice.
We're not horribly dying, just somewhat dying.
Yeah. Only mostly dead. Nice. Also, this'll help. Just what I needed. Alright, we got red.
That was a really well-placed axe.
That was. Not too shabby. That was satisfying.
So we make it back with the red, and then I think we can just get through this?
Yeah. There's a gold key still.
Yeah, but that'll probably be in the red area.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we gotta go all the way back here again.
Yeah, there was also a gold key in the area of sorrow room up the first there. What is it called? The waiting room or whatever it is. I forget what the red door was.
All the way back. It's quite a hike.
Okay, that's fine. Vanish, I bid you.
I like how you don't kill that tree. You'll kill the other one, but that one's like, no, that's sacred.
It's just inconveniently placed, I think, to kill.
You could have got it for the wall.
I guess that's true.
Oh, now you're dropping all the health.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up above.
Right, yep.
No, another way.
I guess we're running kind of long with this episode.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Just
So,
kind of clued in.
so with that, we'll pause the
Yeah.
episode here and have to call it. So
Yeah.
thank you all very much for watching.
Special long edition.
Yeah, to make up for the short edition last week.
Yeah.
Until next time, have a good one, guys.
So long.